When it comes to upgrading your home in Loves Park, Illinois, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is installing new windows. Not only do windows affect the aesthetic appeal of your home, but they also influence its energy efficiency, security, and comfort. However, with so many window types to choose from, it can be overwhelming to decide which is best for your home. In this guide, we'll explore the different types of windows available for installation in Loves Park, so you can make an informed decision that suits your needs and style. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are one of the most popular choices for homeowners in Loves Park, and for good reason. These windows feature two sashes that slide up and down within the frame. Both the top and bottom sashes can be opened, allowing for flexible ventilation. The beauty of double-hung windows lies in their simplicity and versatility. They are easy to clean, especially with modern models that feature tilting sashes for easier access to both sides of the window. These windows are great for homes with a traditional or colonial style and provide excellent airflow, making them ideal for homes that experience varying weather conditions throughout the year. If you're looking for a classic, functional window that offers both ventilation and ease of maintenance, double-hung windows are an excellent choice. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward, similar to a door. They are operated with a crank that allows you to open the window fully, providing excellent airflow and ventilation. Casement windows are particularly ideal for hard-to-reach areas, such as above kitchen sinks or in tight spaces. These windows offer exceptional energy efficiency because when they are closed, they form a tight seal against the frame, preventing drafts and air leaks. They also allow for a wide range of ventilation since they can be opened to a full 90 degrees, allowing fresh air to flow freely into your home. Casement windows are a great option for modern-style homes, or for homeowners who want to maximize airflow without sacrificing security or insulation. Sliding windows. Sliding windows have sashes that slide horizontally along a track to open and close. These windows are typically easy to operate, as they do not require the force needed to open and close double-hung windows. Sliding windows offer a modern look and are ideal for larger openings, making them perfect for homes with expansive views of the outdoors, such as those near parks or lakes in Loves Park. One of the major advantages of sliding windows is their low-maintenance design. Unlike double-hung windows, which may require more effort to clean, sliding windows are easier to maintain due to their simple track system. They also offer plenty of natural light and unobstructed views. Sliding windows are a good choice for homes with contemporary or minimalist designs. Awning windows. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. They are typically operated with a crank and are ideal for areas that need ventilation but also need to remain protected from rain. Since the window opens outward from the top, it acts as an awning, preventing water from entering the interior even when it's raining. These windows work well in bathrooms, kitchens, or basements where ventilation is important, but you don't want to worry about rain or debris entering. Awning windows provide great energy efficiency and offer enhanced security because the opening is relatively small when the window is open. Their modern design works well in both traditional and contemporary style homes. Picture windows. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that do not open. They are designed to provide expansive, unobstructed views of the outdoors while allowing plenty of natural light to fill your living space. Picture windows are perfect for framing beautiful landscapes or scenic views, and they work especially well in living rooms, dining rooms, or areas where you want to emphasize the natural beauty of your surroundings. While picture windows do not offer ventilation, they are highly energy efficient because they typically come with double or triple glazing, which helps insulate your home. If you're looking for a window that lets in plenty of light and enhances your view without the need for opening and closing, picture windows are a great choice. Bay and bow windows. Bay and bow windows are designed to extend outward from the exterior wall of your home, creating a small alcove inside. Both types of windows are made up of multiple smaller windows, typically 3 or more, arranged to create a curved or angular shape. Bay windows are generally composed of a large center window with smaller windows on either side, while bow windows feature a more rounded design with multiple windows. Both types of windows offer ample natural light, provide an expansive view, and add architectural charm to your home. These windows are particularly popular in living rooms, dining rooms, or master bedrooms, as they create additional space and a unique focal point in the room. Bay and bow windows can dramatically increase curb appeal and add to the value of your home. Custom windows. If you're looking for something truly unique for your home, custom windows are an excellent option. Custom windows can be designed to fit any opening, whether it's an unusual shape or size. Whether you want a specific style, shape, or combination of features, custom windows can be tailored to suit your exact needs. Custom windows can be made in a variety of materials, including wood, fiberglass, vinyl, and aluminum, and they can be designed to match the aesthetic of your home perfectly. Whether you're aiming for a modern, industrial, or more traditional look, custom windows provide flexibility and creativity to make your home truly one of a kind. Conclusion. Choosing the right type of window for your Loves Park home depends on your specific needs, budget, and the architectural style of your property. Whether you opt for the classic design of double-hung windows, the modern functionality of casement windows, or the expansive view provided by picture windows, proper installation will ensure that your windows perform well and enhance the overall appeal of your home. Consulting with a professional window installer can help you determine the best options for your home, ensuring that your investment not only boosts your home's aesthetic but also improves its energy efficiency, comfort, and value.